This one comes from Akina. And her question is, my father was in an accident a month ago. Everything is clear. The other guy caused the wreck. So does he still need a lawyer? I got why you need a lawyer if things are unclear, but what does a lawyer do if there is no dispute about who caused the wreck? Also, how do I find the best lawyer? All right, Kate, let's hear what you have to say about this.
I'm not just saying this because I am a lawyer, but you always want to talk to a lawyer when legal matters are involved. Especially, you may think things are clear as a layperson, but when you go to an expert, a lawyer, they can investigate your case and make sure everything is properly looked into. There may be insurance issues that you're unaware of. By law in Georgia, the minimum amount of insurance you're required to have is $25,000. So your medical bills could easily exceed that. And a lawyer can look and see if there are other sources of insurance coverage that you may be missing out on. There's uninsured motorist coverage that can come into play. You may have a resident living with you and their policy may come into play. And another thing is that a lot of times there are lien issues with your medical bills that you can get into a lot of trouble if you don't honor those. And without a lawyer, sometimes your liens can usurp anything that you would settle your claim for. So, I'll always recommend at least speaking to a lawyer, because a lawyer will tell you if it's something that is really, truly that easy, which is rarely the case. But a good lawyer is not going to take your case if it's something that is not worth both their time and your time. And the other part to that question is, how do I find the best lawyer? We actually have a document, a list of 10 questions. It has been on our website. It's not on there right now. We're going to get it back uploaded this week. It's 10 questions that you should ask your lawyer that every lawyer should be able to answer. And there have been times where we have given people that document and sent them to get other opinions from other lawyers. And a lot of times they come back to us. How do I find the best lawyer? Don't go to a guy who stands on a truck. Go to someone who seems trustworthy. I always say go to a local lawyer, but I'll leave that to you. Daddy, do you have anything to add?
Well, you could talk to 2 or 3 different people, and like she says, if you're armed with the right questions, you have the right to ask the lawyer all of these questions about what their experience has been, what kind of cases they've handled like this, and so forth. And it's something that any client should be armed with when they talk to a potential lawyer. So yeah, go to see 2 or 3 different people. Somebody is going to fit your needs. Now, there are also other kind of things like notice requirements. If it's a governmental employee,
okay,
anti-litem notice. So there are a lot of things that you need a lawyer for.